Hi, I wanted to show you one more hack. I've talked about doubling your Young Living conditioner. It's so thick, but also you can do that with shampoo. So this is one of the richest, best smelling, I think, shampoos, but it's moisturizing, Copa Eva Lime. So there's two hacks here. The first thing is, if you love Stress Away, like I do, Copa Eva and vanilla, the third main ingredient in Stress Away is lime. So you can add a couple drops of this in your shampoo. Now, it is very thick. I'm going to show you. Very thick. See if that focuses. There we go. Look at that. Very thick. It smells great. So you can definitely double this. Maybe even triple it. And here's a hack too. By adding a teaspoon or so or a pinch of baking soda, you can make more of a lather. So you probably don't need this, but with shampoo, you do want the, maybe this. So I'm gonna double this. So here's the thing. I only have one of these bottles. So I have so many dish soap bottles. Look, you can use this or a jar again, but you can just rip off the sticker, and I washed this out. Nice clear bottle. It's good quality plastic, so here I go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start first with hot water. Going to fill just a little bit, and then I'll add some more. Just a little water. So I'll have like shampoo, water, so that it mixes well. And then I'm just gonna, whoa, eyeball. Got a little, I'm not really measuring. But I really noticed this makes a big difference. Lots of lather. A lot of natural shampoos don't have much lather. It doesn't bother me, but it's kind of fun to have more bubbles. So remember, you could do that with your dish soap too. Okay, and now, last thing, pouring this out. And it's filling up. And then I'm just gonna gently shake it, maybe keep it upside down for a little while. You might even try like one diluted and one regular concentration, and to see how your hair reacts. This actually is so moisturizing, it's a little too moisturizing for my hair. So I like diluting it. So there you go. You just mix gently. I'm trying to find my lid somewhere around here. Well, I'm gonna mix gently, even put it upside down, and then I'm gonna kind of see maybe I need more shampoo or less and test it out. So that's a way you can stretch your shampoo.